Namaste. How are you guys doing? Today I want to talk about the experience I had with my cells inside my body or organism inside my body with a lot of love, joy, and blissfulness and dancing with joy with nature. And this is one of the awesome experiences you should have, and you need to let the cells inside your body to be free. And this is what I discovered today. And the cells inside your body is free when your mind stops talking. Whenever your mind starts to talk, and it creates a lot of thought process in your mind, it blocks the cells to be free, and it blocks the cells to connect to the nature. That's what I experienced today. And so I usually go and sit and watch the nature, and I don't have to do anything. The only thing I have to do is just observe and sit there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's just the organs doing its connectivity or passing of the energy with the nature, and you don't have to do anything special. You just have to be supportive of your cells and organism inside your body, understand them, and let it be free. And the only way you can make it free is when you're aware of your surroundings, aware of your body, be in the present, and you can understand the thought process and let it go. And what I've experienced is when my mind is talking, the cells suddenly decrease its vibration, and it suddenly decreases the energy release to the nature. And as soon as my mind stops or I let go the thoughts, it can also reach to a stop state sometime. But it can also be in a state where you kind of let it go. The thought comes and you let it go. At that time, the cells inside the body actually connect with the nature. And I can see the cells and organism inside my body dancing with joy. It just rejoices. It's just opening up. The cells are opening up, and it's connecting with nature. And you feel awesomeness. It's just amazing how we think all of this body is ours, but it's not. When you take the I off, when you can differentiate, or when you can take the I, me, myself from your thinking process and think as though everything has its own purpose, even though it's inside your body, then you can actually differentiate and see as being an observant of to what's happening within you. You can clearly see how the cells are vibrating or the cells are transmitting the energy between the nature. And it's been really hard for me to express it out because after this experience, whenever I meditate or whenever I'm in a conscious state, it's just hard to talk a lot, and it just feels amazing to be silent and calming. But I want to share this information so that you can understand, and more people can meditate, and more people can be aware, and more people can be conscious. So that's why I'm doing this video immediately after I experiences, uh, immediately after I experience being in a conscious state. And it's just awesome. So, as of today's topic, in order for your cells or organism inside your body to connect with nature, to exchange the energy, release the energy between the nature and your cells, you need to cut off the I, myself, me, and you just need to observe. You just need to observe what's happening within you. And you can see that the cells will automatically connect with nature and it's going to perform its function, opening up, and the mind kind of blocks it. The mind and the programmed mind kind of blocks everything. If you can just be open to it and just cut off the I and just be an observant, just observe, then you can see all of these things and you can understand your body more, and you can understand the organism inside your cell more, and you can have awesome experience. So hopefully today's video was helpful. Thank you. Namaste.